What's going on, guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're unboxing a very special case of Hot Wheels from the brand Super Impulse. For those of you that don't know this company, they created the world's smallest Hot Wheels and many other cool tiny toys, so a super big thank you to them for sending this case. Alright, so I've opened up the package and there are 6 items inside, starting here with the Rally case, which is perfect for holding your miniature Hot Wheels collection. The second item inside here happens to be a car inside of a blister container, and it's the 1990 Purple Passion. It looks like we have another car here packed inside of a blister container. It's the orange 2008 Fast Fish. Now this is where it gets exciting, because I've seen the world's smallest Hot Wheels at Toys R Us before, but I've never seen these track sets, so let's take a look. The first set inside this case is the Drag Race Action Set. This one is very cool and comes with track, finish lines, and 2 exclusive cars. Next, we have the Hot Curves Action Set, and of course this one comes with some curves, a jump, and our little car is upside down. And finally, to finish off this amazing case from Super Impulse, we have the Stunt Action Set featuring a miniature version of the famous Hot Wheels loop. Here we have all 6 items from the world's smallest Hot Wheels case release. Now let's break down what comes in each pack and open them up. The Rally case pack includes 1 car and 1 Rally case. The iconic Super Rally case holds up to 6 of the world's smallest Hot Wheels, and the Rally case is the perfect fit for our little yellow Roger Dodger. My favorite is the Stunt Action Set, which has 1 car, 3 joiners, 1 Daredevil loop, 1 clamp, 4 straight tracks, and instruction sheet. There we have our track parts for the Stunt Action Set, and here we have the green custom auto. Onto the Hot Curves Action Set, which includes 1 car, 5 joiners, 1 jump, 1 clamp, 2 curved tracks, 4 straight tracks, and instruction sheet. Here we have our track builder parts from the Hot Curves Action Set, and this was the blue custom auto that was loose in the package. It's time for the Drag Race Action Set, which includes 2 cars, 5 joiners, 1 clamp, 6 straight tracks, 1 checkered flag finish gate, and instruction sheet. This set is super sweet. It came with a lot of track pieces and finish line flags and a blue Fast Fish and pink Purple Passion. All we have is 2 cars left, so let me get these blister containers out of these boxes. Take a look at Purple Passion and Fast Fish. These are both Series 2 World's Smallest Hot Wheels cars, and both look great in their tiny little blisters. What a collection of the world's smallest Hot Wheels. Thank you again so much, Super Impulse, for sending this over. I'll definitely be making an epic track video using these action sets, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.